How to translate Odoo 18 website in any language with AI. Go to the home menu and select website module. On the bar, simply click on the edit. Here is the options for blogs, customize and themes. Simply click on customize and select the part that you have to the translate. Let's select this contact us and scroll and simply click on the translate. This is the community version. In paid version, you, we can show the multiple languages here, and that the translated text is here. But we don't have options, so that only we see that results.